Boeing 737 Max. Pretty nice weather here. About 350, buddy. Oh, it's a Dreamliner. It's a Dreamliner. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Pretty smooth landing. Canadian North Boeing 737 landing on 05, and this is Delta lining up 05 after the Canadian. Boeing 757. Nice. Nice and beautiful landing. Please hit the like button for this landing. Thank you so much. Nice and pretty smooth landing. Soft landing. Though there was some smoke, but still pretty nice one. Now behind we have Emirates coming. Here it is, Airbus 380. Nice one. Please hit like this landing. Thank you. Airbus 380, pretty heavy aircraft, but it still cannot compete. In my opinion, it's my only thought. It still cannot compete with the Boeing 747, which is my favorite. Not mine. A lot of people's. Right, pretty smooth landing. Beautiful. Smoky, but nice. Airbus 350 from Seoul. 12 hours flight, 12 plus hours flight.